Have you ever had a tomato plant stop growing just when it should have been blooming? Are the fruits small, tasteless, and slow to ripen, even though you've given it everything you know? How? Then stay with me, because in today's video, I'm sharing one of the best kept secrets of my garden, a top dressing that I inherited from my grandmother, and which still makes the difference between an ordinary tomato and the one everyone wants to try. If this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, we share tricks and tips that you won't find on a bag of store-bought fertilizer. If you like natural growing, healthy fruits, and unusual methods, subscribe and turn on the bell. And if you're already with us, write to me below in the comments if you've already tried any unusual top dressing and what the results were. Now imagine the following: early morning. The sun has just started to warm, and you water the tomato with a liquid that smells a bit strange. And after only a few days, the plant transforms before your eyes. The stem gets stronger, the leaves become dark green, and the fruits like from a magazine. Sounds like a fairy tale? And it's not. Just the right food at the right time. People often think that tomatoes only need water and sun. But tomatoes demand attention. They demand something special to give you those fleshy, juicy fruits that make your mouth water. And you know what's interesting? You probably already have this side dish in your kitchen, ready to find out what it is. Here is the recipe for the best tomato top dressing. Take 1 liter of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast or a half cube of fresh, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped banana peel. Mix everything and let it sit for at least 2 hours. Then water the tomatoes directly around the roots, preferably in the morning or evening, once every 10 days. This combination awakens microorganisms in the soil, feeds the plant with potassium, phosphorus, and vitamins, and believe me, the result will delight you. If you try this top dressing, be sure to come back and write how it worked for you. And don't forget, share the video with your friends who grow tomatoes. Let them also try the miracle that smells like a home, garden, and childhood.